Do you feel itching, burning, fatigue, or maybe you're dealing with recurring infections? You might actually be hosting an unexpected guest, Candida albicans, a fungus that quietly lives with you but sometimes gets wildly out of control. Today, I'll break down what Candida is, how it spreads, the symptoms to watch for, which organs it can affect, and most importantly, how to fight back both with medicine and natural remedies. Ready? Let's go! So what exactly is Candida? Candida albicans is a type of yeast, a microscopic fungus that naturally lives in your mouth, gut, skin, and even your genitals. Most of the time, it's totally harmless. But when your immune system takes a hit or your gut bacteria get thrown off balance, Candida can overgrow and cause an infection we call candidiasis. How does it spread? Normally, Candida stays put and minds its business. But if you take antibiotics, eat lots of sugar, have diabetes, or your immune system is weak, things can get out of hand fast. In serious cases, Candida can escape into your bloodstream and travel to the heart, kidneys, or even your brain, a condition called invasive candidiasis, which is actually life-threatening. Now the symptoms depend on where this fungus decides to grow. In your mouth, think white, creamy patches, what we call thrush. On your skin, red, itchy rashes, especially in folds. In women, thick white discharge, burning and intense itching down there. For men, inflammation of the glands or balanitis. If it hits your blood, you might get high fever and severe symptoms, especially if organs are involved. Which organs can Candida affect? In milder cases, you'll see it on the skin, mucous membranes or genitals. But if it spreads, it can hit your heart, kidneys, liver, eyes and brain, causing serious problems if you don't treat it. So, how do you beat it? Conventional medicine gives you antifungal meds like clotrimazole, nystatin or miconazole for mild infections. For deeper infections, doctors use oral or IV meds like fluconazole or amphotericin B. These meds work, but it's super important to finish your prescription to prevent relapses. There are also natural options to help your body fight back. Anti-Candida diets cut out sugar, refined flours, alcohol, and yeast. Some swear by natural antifungals like garlic, oregano oil, coconut oil, or tea tree oil. Probiotics like lactobacillus are great for restoring healthy gut and vaginal flora. And for quick relief, vinegar or baking soda baths might help. Just remember, these don't replace real medical treatment, but they can support or prevent overgrowth. Bottom line, Candida albicans is part of your internal ecosystem, but if things get out of balance, it can become a real enemy. Focus on strengthening your body, keeping your microbiome healthy, and acting fast when you notice symptoms. Use science and natural tools together to heal from the inside out. Ever struggled with Candida overgrowth? Want more science-backed health tips? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more wellness content and don't forget to visit herbaline.net to check out natural products that support your health inside and out.